Hello everyone. So today we're going to continue working with systems of linear equations, but we're going to do the substitution method, which basically is solving for x and y. Okay, so the goals of this lesson are to use the substitution method and to solve for x and y. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing I always like to do, I always like to rewrite these. Y equals 6x minus 11 and negative 2x minus 3y equals negative 7. So the substitution method is just what it sounds like. You're going to substitute one thing for another. Okay? So let's look at our equations, our system of equations. We have y equals 6x minus 11 right here. And then under that we have negative 2x minus 3y equals negative 7. So the easiest way to substitute one thing for another is when it comes out looking y equals or x equals. These are the easiest form factors to work with. Now if you look at the top equation, it says y equals 6x minus 11. So we're going to work with that one. And since it says y equals all of this, we're going to look at the other equation here, and there's a y right there. So we're basically going to plug in all of this in for y. Okay? So y equals all this. We're going to plug that in for y. Because we said y equals that, so we should be able to replace it with 6x minus 11. So I'm going to rewrite it, negative 2x minus 3. And instead of y, I'm going to put all this in here. 6x minus 11. Okay, that was it. Equals negative 7. All right? So now we just keep going simplifying. Negative 2x. And we're going to distribute the negative 3 here and here. Negative 3 times 6x is negative 18x. Negative 3 times negative 11 is positive 33 equals negative 7. Okay, let's combine like terms. We're going to combine the x terms. Negative 2x minus 18x will be negative 20x plus 33 equals negative 7. Subtract 33 from both sides. And you're going to get negative 20x equals negative 40. Okay? Now, we got to isolate the variable. So basically get x by itself. Let's go ahead and divide both sides by negative 20. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. Negative 40 divided by negative 20 is 2. X equals 2. Okay? So now that we know what x equals, now we can solve for y. And the way we're going to solve for y is we're going to plug this. You can plug it in there. Or, and what I think you should do, you're going to plug it in here. It's easier, okay? So let's do that one. We're going to write the equation y equals 6x minus 11. And we know what x equals. We know x equals 2. So let's plug that in for x. Y equals 6, plug in 2 instead of x, minus 11. Y equals 6 times 2 is 12, minus 11. Y equals 1. So this is your other answer. So now we can say the solution to the system the solution to this system here, the point where they intersect is at 2, 1. That's the solution. Or x equals 2, y equals 1. Okay? So going back to our, and I'll write answer right here. So let's go through our checklist. Use the substitution method. We did that. Solve for x and y. We did that. Okay. So hopefully this video was clear. And again, it's basically plugging in one value for the other. Y equals this, so you plug that in. And x equals this, you plug that in. Okay? Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please ask. See you guys next time. Peace.